Here's a step-by-step process for changing your Fiverr username. Go to Fiverr's website and log into your account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the page. Click on Profile in the drop-down menu that appears. Look for your username on your profile page. Unfortunately, you cannot change this directly. Click on your profile picture again and then click on Settings. Scroll down, choose a reason for deactivating your account and select I want to change my username and click on Deactivate Account. Follow the prompts to deactivate your account. Create a new account with your desired username. Customize your profile by changing your profile title and description. Keep in mind that deactivating your account means you will lose all your reviews and past orders. I hope this helps. If you found this video helpful, click like and subscribe.